Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the table creator plugin. So I have created a video before, where I have created a table using that plugin. So I have received few comments where you all wanted to know how to resize the table, add a button and make the color to null of the table when you use image as background. Okay, so one by one I'll be showing you how you can do that. Okay, so let's get started. So I have already created a table using that plugin. So now first one is how to resize the table. Okay, so let me click on the K button here. Okay, so the scale, this is used for scaling actually. So if you use this, still you will find this is happening, right? So you don't want this to happen, right? So how you are going to do this is just right click on this one, just select this table and right click on it. Okay, then go to the plugins, then the table creator plugin. Now you see here few options are there, right? you need to you need to click on this toggle resizing. Okay, okay, so now if you try to resize, you see now you're able to resize the table. Okay, so simply you need to right click on it, then go to the plugins, table creator and then toggle resizing. That's it. Okay, now the next one is add a button. Okay, first of all let me create a button quickly. Okay, maybe button. Okay, I'll just reduce the font size to 12. Okay, then shift A, done. Now the height I'm going to decrease a little bit. I don't want that much height of the button. That's it. Now add a fill to this button. I think I'm going to, yeah, this looks fine. Okay, so now I want a little bit of rounded corners. Let it be like this. Yeah, okay. Text color would be white. Okay, that's it. Now, if you initially try to add this button, you will see that this is not possible, right? The cells are not, because auto layout is applied to this cells. Okay, so now if you click on it, you see a purple color boundary. Okay, so you are going to first of all detach this, because this is an instance of a component, so you are going to detach this one. Okay, that's it. Now you will get this option here, auto layout. Okay, now you can remove this auto layout here. Okay, now again double click on it. Again there is another auto layout inside this one. Okay, just click on the minus option here. The auto layout is gone. Okay, there is no auto layout now. So now if you try to insert this one, okay, I think so still it's something is there. Let me check. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so now this is how you can add a button. Okay, so now you don't have to repeat this process again and again. You can just copy this cell, and then paste replace. Done. Okay. So this is how easily, just by removing the auto layout, you first need to detach the instance, okay, and then you are going to remove the auto layout so that you can insert the button easily. Okay. Now the last one is make the color to null of the table when you use a image as background. Okay, so first of all, let me draw a frame here. Right click on it and then plugins, then pixels. Okay, I'm going to get a background image for this frame. Okay, now let me add this table. Let me remove this button here for now. I don't need them now. Okay, now insert this inside the frame. Now reduce the opacity, or maybe to make the color to null, you are going to double click. Already this is selected. Okay, just double click on it. Okay, then you see in properties panel, here there is this white color, right? So you are going to click on it, and then you see this one, right? You are going to decrease the opacity like this, or you can manually also do it here. Okay, that's it. That is how you can play with the opacity of the table color also. Okay, that is it. Okay, hope you understood, and I have resolved all of your doubts. Okay, so let me know if you want to know more about this plugin, okay, or have any more doubts. I will be happy to solve that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.